Hi there, it's Jeanette. Thanks so much for joining me today. I know it's been a long time since I have posted a video. Now this was something that happened. I did not plan it. Life just got a little busy, a little hectic, and before I knew it, months had gone by and I had not had time to edit videos. I had filmed some videos, but never got the chance to edit them. So it was a little break that wasn't intended, but life is sort of back into a routine. So I'm hoping to get started again. I thought what better way than to start with a craft haul video. So I'm going to be sharing with you some of the items that I have picked up and not worked with yet. Now if you were followers of my Instagram or blog or Facebook, you will have seen that I was still creating lots of papercraft projects, but I just didn't have the time to create the videos to go along. So let's get started. Lots of stamps and dies in this haul. So the first set is this set here. This is my favorite things, Cute Chemists. Bought the dies as well because lots of tiny little stamps here that I thought would be really finicky to fussy cut. What I love about this set is that we have a couple of scientists here, so you can put them into a scene together to create a little chemistry scene, or you can use them separately for birthday cards, graduation cards, all kinds of cards really. I really love the sentiments that come with this set, and I just love it. I have a chemistry background, so I couldn't resist this stamp set. Next two are these a little bit older, and these are the Saddle Up and Celebrate stamp sets. And again, I love the fact that there is a duo of cowboys here. What really sets this stamp set apart, in my opinion, is that you have the cake that has the cow pattern on it, the markings, as well as the balloon, and the little cacti are so cute. So this is a great card for a birthday or a thank you card. And again, I love Bertie Brown illustrations, so I couldn't resist that. Then the last set from my favorite things is newer. This one is called Bring Out the Sunshine, and I really think she is so sweet. And I really love this sentiment, you bring out the sunshine in me. I think that is such a nice sentiment, such a nice phrase to put on a card for a friend. So those are all from my favorite things. Just clear them aside. Next I have some background stamps from Whimsy Stamps. These I love for a lot of reasons. One of the reasons is that they're big, so you can create a larger size card if you desire. Second, you can sort of create your own pattern paper when you use these background stamps. So I feel like they are a good investment. So this one is called Scratchy Plaid, which is a really fun, sort of funky lines. I will link a card that I made with this. I have made a card using this, so I'm going to link it here for you. And you can see that I used in that card two different sets of ink, and I just sort of offset the background stamp so that it would stamp in a different place, and that gives you the two-toned look. I also have this buffalo plaid or buffalo check. Love this, and this is really a great basic background stamp set for you if you want to make cards that have that particular look. You don't have to buy paper anymore. You can just choose whatever ink that's going to match your image and use it. And then I also have this really cute raindrop or rainfall background stamp, which I think is really great, especially for spring. I have a couple of dies from Whimsy as well. This, I can't remember what the name is, but it's a really cute sort of zigzag stitched rectangle die set, which is really fun for creating frames for your card if you use two of these together, or just mats for your card. And I also have the Celebrate word die set, which is great. You have 3 dies, different sizes, so you can actually mat the word Celebrate with this sort of straight lined die, and then create another mat that has this nice stitch detail, which really brings a lot of depth and dimension to your cards. Okay, so I have some things from Lawn Fawn. Actually, I think I'm going to show you this first. So this is called the Magic Picture Changer die set, and the add-on die. I bought both of them. And basically what you do is, this is sort of a little frame that you use, and there's a tab that you will pull. You can kind of get the idea here, where you have one picture, and then when you pull the tab, it changes to another picture. So you have all the components here that are going to help make this picture changer come to life. And I really thought long and hard about getting this because it's quite pricey. But in the end, I thought that it was a good investment because I can continue to create using this die set. And I think it's fun to have an interactive component to your cards, especially if they're geared towards younger kids. So that is why I did end up buying this stamp set, which is called Butterfly Kisses, because I think you can change up the images here using this Magic Picture Changer and create some really cute scenes. I saw one card where they had the little fox running with the net, and then when you pulled the tab, you could see he had caught a little butterfly in the net, so that was kind of cute. So I bought that to try out with this, but I'm going to be using this with a lot of other stamp sets, and I'm not really going to stick just to Lawn Fawn stamps. I think you can use this with many other different companies. Then I have some stamp sets from Mama Elephant. This is the Little Mermaiden Agenda stamp set. Now, if you saw some of my holiday videos, you will have seen that I worked a lot with the Little Santa agenda stamps and the Little Reindeer agenda stamps. And I created a video showing you a nice and easy way to sort of stamp, die cut, and color these stamps using a small amount of time. It's sort of a little trick to make it go a little bit faster. And of course, I will link that right here on the top if you want to go see. These are really cute. I love mermaids, and I think some of these will be like sort of mirror images of each other, so I think we can use that to create little spinner cards. So super cute. Also from Mama Elephant, I have the Wish Upon a Star stamp set and dies. Super cute. I just think they're so sweet. The sentiments are amazing, and you can create a variety of different types of cards with these. So cute. Really, really sweet. I also have the Mama Elephant Fly Away With Me, or Fly With Me. I actually had time to put this in its storage pouch. That's how long I've had it. It's been quite a few months. Again, I love Mama Elephant. I love the little elephant images they have. And this, I guess, is a good time to share with you how I sort of store these. I take them out of the packaging. I put them in these pockets. They have sort of flaps that sort of fold in. And then I label them with the company and the stamp name. This helps me because I create videos and I need to know what I'm using so that I can share with you products. And I always put the dies on the other side, so that keeps everything handy and nice. So I will link to these pocket protectors. I'm not the first to do this. There's a lot of other crafters that do this, but it's a really handy way. Keeps everything uniform and organized. Then I have a couple of things here, these last things. This is Hello Bluebird. I've never bought any stamps from this company, but this stamp set was so sweet that I ended up deciding to get it. Now I also bought the coordinating dies. You can see there's quite a few like flowers and leaves that need to be die cut, so I thought the dies were sort of a necessity. What I didn't realize at the time was that I don't have the die for the actual sort of banner. So I did go ahead and I ordered that, and I'm still waiting for it. Living in Canada, sometimes if something is coming from the States, sometimes customs sort of hold it up, so it's been a while. I'm still waiting for it, but I'm going to include a picture of it right here. And you can see that that will sort of cut this out and create sort of a folding line for it. As well, from Hello Bluebird, I did purchase the Fairy Garden, I think it's called Fairy Garden, stamp set and dies. I'm going to show a picture here. I had it in my basket, and then it sold out. It's back in stock when I ordered the other die, so I'm still waiting for those two, but you can get an idea of what they look like. So that's it for my craft haul. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so that you will be notified when I post videos. Actually, you have to hit the subscribe button and the little bell beside it, and then you will automatically be notified when I post videos, and that's something that's free. You don't have to pay extra for that. And I will be uploading tons of paper craft projects using these items in the next month or so. Thanks again. I'll see you soon.